This conference will now be recorded.
So Vivek, Rajita, who will be going first? Who wanted to take first, Vivek or Rajita?
Yeah, I can take.
Okay, let me meet you as a presenter. You are presenter now, Rajita.
Yeah, I should select a tablet.
You can share your screen.
1 second.
Yeah, Rajita, what was your problem statement? So yours
Yeah,
was
is it
area of
visible?
triangle. Yeah, it's
Yeah, is
visible.
it? Oh, okay. Yeah, mine was area of the triangle when giving the sides.
Okay.
So for this,
Could you?
firstly, if we go to the pseudocode, first thing is like usually area of triangle will have a formula to calculate. And so for that, we usually for triangle we'll be having, or should I on the camera? I forgot.
No, that's fine. But the pseudocode, we are seeing the program, not the pseudocode.
You are unable to see the code. Okay.
So the screen, what we see is Visual Studio Code in that area
Yes.
underscore triangle dot py.
Yeah, I should select one more also, right?
Instead of that, share the screen. It will, whatever you select, no, it will be showing visible.
Hmm. Share my screen. Yes. I'm unable to do that.
So you have some icon called share, right?
Yes, yes.
There you see, when you click on that, you see share screen, right?
Now,
1 minute. Okay, I'm making you presenter again.
select a tab. Enter screen.
Yeah, entire screen.
I'm trying to share entire screen. I don't know this will be working or not.
No, no, entire
Now,
screen would work instead of application. We couldn't see anything.
oh yeah. Hmm.
Could you try now again? I have given the presenter again.
Yeah, one second. should we select all these tabs? I am getting like you should select the tabs which you want to share or something.
So you don't have select the entire screen option, something like that.
Entire screen also is there. I am getting this. What you say?
Give
This
one try.
go to meeting one only. I'm getting. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you can
Now,
minimize. Now it's good. Yeah. Now you can minimize that. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's work.
now it's okay.
Yeah. We could see both the screen, pseudocode, and next to that, Visual Studio.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So first thing is like for area of triangle, we need two main things: base and height to calculate the area. And I wrote two programs like with using function and without using function.
Mm-hmm.
So first thing is we should get the inputs from the user for base and height. That is the uh, first arguments we have to get from the user. So first
Mm-hmm.
thing we should get the inputs from user for base and height. Next thing is we should just use the formula to calculate. So find the area. And last thing is storing the value into one variable and then printing the area. This is without function. You can see this program.
Mm-hmm.
This is first we are getting the input from the user, that is base, and the next input height of the triangle, that is height, and then just calculating using this formula. Can I execute this?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
So see first the terminal. In this terminal it is asked to give the base of the triangle, and the next thing is height, and we are getting the area. This is the basic thing, like without calling any function or something. And
Okay.
one next thing is like I have used one function. If you want to use this function in some other program or something, we can call the function directly. So for that sake, first we should define a function in the
Mm-hmm.
for the pseudocode. Just we should define a function. Next, you should get the inputs for the same thing like base and height. And as the inputs will be in the string format, we should convert them into float.
Okay.
And the next thing is if you want to get the area, we should call this function. I have
Okay.
defined the function as area underscore triangle, and that function I'm calling here area of triangle base and height. This will get redirected to this function, the above function.
Mm-hmm.
Here it's get calculated and the function value will be returned, and this will be directly stored into this variable called area. And finally, if you are printing this to the terminal, the variable is being printed. It will be stored in the area variable, and this will be printed to the terminal. If you want to round to two decimal places or something, we can do that.
Mm-hmm. What if we remove float? Why? What will happen if we remove float from line number 4 and 5?
Line number 4 and 5.
5, yeah, float, yeah.
Yeah, it's like it is not, it will not take, because the value will be as stored as type, stored as string rather
Okay.
than integer or float. So we have to
Mm-hmm.
convert the string value into the float. Even we
Mm-hmm.
give the number, it might take as a string rather than a
Mm-hmm.
number.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we should use this float. We should convert it and then we can calculate the area.
Okay, cool. Guys, any doubts? So here the area of triangle, the formula is base into height divided by 2.
2. Yes.
So that's what she used. And then she's rounding it.
Yeah, this was my thing, whatever I have written.
Yeah. So cool, Rajita. It's thank you. You
Thank
did well.
you.
Sam, Chili, any doubts? Sirisha, any doubts?
No.
Rajita, could you? Okay. Rajita, could you copy and paste the pseudocode and program in the message so that I will add it to the doc, Python
Yeah,
doc?
1 second. I'm just writing this and then I'll add. I
Mm-hmm.
just developed without function just now. Yesterday I have did it, but directly I used function.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Rajita.
Yeah,
So now you can stop your sharing. I will give control to Vivek.
yeah.
Vivek, are
I
you
see.
ready? Vivek, could you hear me?
Should I share the program?
Yeah, please. Shall I give you presenter right, Vivek?
Hello?
Okay, okay then. Okay, Vivek, if you don't have laptop available, then we can see that tomorrow, no problem.
Okay.
Will it be available tomorrow?
If not, I will say the code you can type. That's easy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I want you to explain the pseudocode. I want you to teach. I want to I want all the students to get that experience and how it is if you teach.
It
Okay, we
means,
can. Mhm. If you get any laptop or if you could get any laptop or desktop tomorrow, we can schedule your thing tomorrow. Is it okay, Vivek? Okay. So Sirisha, will you be able to take today? So yours was checking prime number.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
give me access.
Okay. Okay, Vivek. Saturday you can take. That's fine. No problem. Sirisha, you are now the presenter.
Okay. Are you? Sorry. Can
We
you?
are, yeah. You can share your
Yeah.
screen, then
Can you?
minimize your Chrome.
Like I have present the wrong one. Can you
That's
give us?
fine. I have given.
Okay.
So present the entire screen, then minimize the Chrome and open VS
Okay.
Code.
Say. You can see, right?
Yeah.
So, you have given me how to check whether the number is prime or not. So,
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, here I have just given some basically what is prime number. Like,
Mm-hmm.
so a number is to be to be prime, it should be divisible by 1 and itself. So for example, 13 is a prime number because it's only divisible by 1 and 13. Other hand, 12 is not a prime number because it's divisible by 2, 4 and 6 and number itself. So here what I want to, like, I will take the input from user and check whether the number is prime or not. So the prime number always should be possible. So I will check with the if condition, and then I will go into the loop to check. And I am
Okay.
giving the range from 2 to number like uh, uh, so the number will, if I give the number 5, it will not divide number 5. So it's like before 5. So up to 4. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 2 to 4 it should divide, and check whether one divide remainder is 1 or not, like that. So if I, for example, if I give number 5, then we will need to check 5 module 2, 5 module 3 and 5 module 4. So if any one of these result doesn't equal to 0, then it is not prime, right? So
Mm-hmm.
then here what I did is I have given a range function in my for loop, and then I, if its number is if one number is divisible, then we no need to do the further numbers. So that's why I have given a break statement to come out of the loop also.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
this is what I have kept in my comment, like.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
so first what I have written is I took an input from user, and the input is user is giving as a string, so I had to convert into int. And next I had to check whether the prime number is always should be greater than 1. So I have given an if condition. Then it will, if the number is greater than 1, then it will come to the for loop for the range 2. And then range has 3 options. One is like chop, and other one is start, comma stop, and third one is start, top, and step. So here we need like a range to start from 2 and number 5, but it won't take 5, it will take 4 only. So 5 minus 1, or whatever number minus 1. So then we had to check again the number modular I is equal to double equal to 0, then print the number is not a prime number. Then if its number is equal to 0, then we no need to do further numbers. So we had to get come out of the loop, and it will go to this, and the number is a prime number, like that. If the enter less than 1 or equal to, it will directly come to this, else that number is not a prime number.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool.
So
Uh,
uh,
I have a
uh,
doubt here.
uh-huh,
So in pseudocode, you mentioned that you are going to divide the number from 2 to
uh-huh,
number minus 1, right?
yeah,
So in line number 10, we are dividing the input number by all the
uh-huh.
numbers in the range
The
of
range,
2 to
yeah,
number minus 1,
one,
number
yeah,
minus 1.
yeah, yeah.
So, but in
To
line
see
number
whether,
24,
uh yeah,
in line number 24, I don't see number minus 1, I see only number.
because we cannot give here. What the thing is, the range function start at 2, and
Mm-hmm.
the number whatever we given, it will not execute the
Include that
number.
number.
Yeah, it
Mm-hmm.
will
Yeah.
stop before that.
Mm-hmm. So guys, like
So
how we see in slice, no, in slicing also we saw the same thing. Start and
yes,
stop.
yes,
If you give index 3 as a stop, it will stop at index 2. So it will
yes.
stop one step before that. So that's why she have not given number minus 1. But here what will happen is in range 2 comma number. For example, 2 comma 5 means it will work only till 2 comma 4. Yeah, yes, Risha,
Yeah.
proceed.
You want me to run the program?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Sorry.
That's fine. Take your time.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Uh, yeah. So to run the program, you have to go to that run button, no, on your right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm not sure why.
Yeah, I'll tell you. So next to the run
Yeah,
button, there is a
yeah.
down arrow, right? There is a down
Mm-hmm.
arrow. Yeah. Run Python file, the first option.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
It's
know
not done.
suddenly what happened.
Okay, that's fine. Could you try one more time? Run Python
Yeah,
code, that down arrow. It is telling.
line number 20. Yesterday is joke. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You just change the integer to float. Let's see.
Okay.
Integer, integer.
Okay. Sorry.
Save it.
Yeah, now it's working.
Okay. Okay. Give the number. I
You
want to
want
check
me
for
to,
5. 5, yeah. Okay, 12. Float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Okay.
maybe I kept this one recently, maybe because of this.
No, actually, anyway, it is commented, no? If you want, you can remove it.
Yeah, I'll just keep in somewhere. It's I'm not sure because I was kept.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it is working. You can give the input.
Yeah, yeah. 5
5 is
is
a prime
prime.
number. Could
Yeah.
you show
If
for some different numbers?
yeah, sure. Yeah, I will give 12.
Mm-hmm.
12 is not a
Okay.
prime number because it's
Mm-hmm.
divisible. If you want, I can show you in Tony also how the program is
Uh-huh.
executed.
Could you also give for 1 and 0?
Yeah, sure. It will say, it will come, it won't go inside, it will come directly here.
Okay.
Yeah.
0?
But
What about 0?
yes, I think it will work for sure also.
Okay.
So whatever the number is greater than one only, this will be executed.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise it just give you number
Yeah.
is not
You can
prime.
open Tony and you can explain, Suresh.
Oh, okay.
Guys, any doubts? Because the only new thing she added is the range. I can show after she explains in Tony. I can show what is range. I'll show few examples. But apart from that, any doubts, either in the logic or in the code? Okay. I thought 1 and 0 are prime number. Yeah, that I will take after she explains.
1 and 0 are not are prime numbers.
No, actually 1 and 0 both are not prime number. Actually,
Yeah.
0 it is not considered prime number,
Mm-hmm.
and 1 is also not considered as prime number.
Yes. So I want to share share something else. You can see, right?
Yeah, I could see it, Tony.
Uh-huh.
So 1 and 0 are not prime number. Prime number starts from 2. So the first prime number is 2.
Yes. Yeah. Here, this is I open in Tony, and I will run the program first.
Mm-hmm,
Enter the number. You can give any number. 81.
mm-hmm,
If 81 is not prime. Now I will
mm-hmm,
press the debug.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now it came to here number. I will just give step into it will not. Yeah. Then it's very slow. I'm sorry.
That's fine, that's fine.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, now it's asking number. You can give any number, 9. Then go enter. Then it's taking 9 as it's here number. Then now it's going inside. Now it's going to check the number is greater than 1 or not. So the number is 9. See, 9 is greater than 1. It's true. Then it come inside the for loop and it will execute the range to a number is 9. But yeah, then it goes, the I is now 2. Then the number 9 will do modular to 2. It will come here and it will take 9 number and I added 2 and it will check 1 is not equal to, it's not equal to 0. So false. Then again it will check for 3. It is equal to 0. So now it will, so number, if condition is true, then it will go to the next line and print the number is not a prime number. So then it will get break and come out of the loop. So now nothing else, it will break and it will give us, gives that number is not a prime number.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
good.
it.
So any doubts, guys?
Thank you, everybody. I guess tried.
Yeah. So Rajita, Srisha, you did a very good job. I like both of your explanation. I know you both were nervous because first of all the screen sharing was not working properly because first time you're trying that, and yeah, that happens. But still you guys did well because you guys prepared well. You had a solid content with you, so you were, even though the nervousness didn't affect you, you proceeded. Yeah, yes, Divya. So thank you guys. So now I'll proceed. We'll see what is the range. So now you both of you guys set an example, like how we have to go fearless and explain. I hope tomorrow everybody else will also do good. So let me share my screen. Oh, is it Divya? Because nobody switch on their video, I thought, well, let's not do it. And Rajita also started, so I.
prepared to
Guys,
on my
everybody,
camera, but
so everybody is okay to switch on the camera.
Yeah, actually I forgot, and in between I asked, right? I didn't
I
focus on that.
actually didn't want to disturb you in between, so
Yeah,
that's why
no,
I
no, no.
said
If you have,
okay.
or if you had told okay, right, I could have started at that time. Na? It's okay. You continue. You told like that. Oh, it's okay. I also can.
Uh-huh. So guys, everybody is ready to switch on the camera.
yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Hi, Sirisha. Hi, Divya. Hi, Sam.
It's
Sam, I
asking
feel
me
like
to
I
give
already,
permission.
is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, give permission. So Sam,
Okay.
I feel like I already met him because he pinged me some days back. I saw his DP, so I know Sam.
Okay.
Okay.
I saw you and your mom, I guess,
Mhm.
in your DP. So I feel like I already know you.
Okay.
Actually, I didn't get ready. What happened at office? They took me out yesterday for some celebration, so I came very late and I just got up before the class. Usually, I get up 4:30 in the morning, but today I couldn't get up. I had heavy dinner, some drinks, so happy to see you guys. Actually, I couldn't stop smiling after seeing you guys. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
And actually, I want a general introduction about you guys. Maybe we can have it on Saturday. I just wanted to know what you're doing. Where are you? Because I guess this is a global team. We are from different parts of world. So let's do it on Saturday. Now let me proceed and explain range. So Sirisha in our program she used range inside the for condition. So what is range is range syntax will look like this. So start, stop, and skip, similar to slicing, right? And let's use it in for I in range of 10. I'm just giving start. So it is for I
Default
in
it's
range.
yeah.
So if you give just a single digit, it will go from 0 to 9. So it is stopping one step before 10. Okay. So it generate a sequence number from 0 to 9 with default step of 1. It is taking default step as 1. So every other step it is going. If you want to skip and give something, then you can give some step. Let me give with start. So here the start is 2 and we have a step of 2 till 12 we are going to save, which means till 11 it is going to print. Okay. So the start is 2 and it is going 2 step. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is it's skipping 2 step and it is going to 4, skipping 4 going. So if we after 10 if you skip it should be 12, but it cannot print 12 because the range is only till 11, which is one step before the 12, so it is not printing 11. Okay, for I in range 5 comma 0 comma -1, I'm going backwards from positive to negative. Okay, so here 5, since I have given -1, it is going one step backward till 0. So which means till 1 it is going to print. So it is going one step backward and it is printing in the reverse order. So if you want to print it in a reverse order, go it in a reverse order, you have to give -1. Forward, then you have to give positive number. Got it, guys? Let me show it in VS Code. Okay, VS Code is not opening. I can show it here only. I'm going to create a variable my range. Okay, so this my range is having two number inside it, 1 and 6. Okay, and then my list, and I'm going to create one more variable called my list, and I'm going to give my range. Okay, so this converts a range into list. If you have list here and you're giving like kind of we have seen, no, if you want to convert it to integer you will give int, float you will give float, for string you will give str, for list you are going to give list directly. So I have created a range. Range means two number one after another, and I've saved into some variable, and that variable I'm passing here, so it is going to convert my range. Okay, maybe first I'll print my range. So my range is like this. My list is this. So range 1 to 6, right? Range 1 to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 till 5. So if I wanted a list with continuous sequence of number, instead of printing directly 1, comma 2, comma 2, 3, comma 4, I can give range. I can directly give range. Isn't it? Guys, did you get what I'm doing here? So what I can do is I can create a list, my list 1 equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. If my list is this, instead of creating this by manually entering the number, I can use range. I can use range and I can use start from 2, skip 2 till 12. I can give that. So my list 1 is this. I can create my list 2. See, my list 1 and 2 both are same. Here I'm directly entering the input manually. Here I'm just taking use of range. So for example, here we have only 5 numbers, so it is easy to enter. If you have a lengthy number, for example, 10, 100 different number, instead of entering, you can go and use range inside it. Got it? Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Divya, you got it? You understood? Divya, Rajita, Sirisha.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Just now I'm reading your messages. Here is Rajita. Okay. So I guess we can wind up the session here because I have one more program which if I continue it will take 20 more minutes. Um, we can wind up here, guys. Actually, I'm very happy because Rajita and Sirisha did good job. I hope tomorrow Sam, Tilly, and Divya does the same thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank Anu, did you on your camera?
Yeah. So with see, I'm here, but my
I
camera is somewhere
can't.
else. I couldn't adjust it. Maybe tomorrow I will open my laptop. My camera
Okay.
is somewhere there. It's showing my side face. Tomorrow I'll open my laptop and I'll sit. Today actually I was
Okay.
not ready. Tomorrow we will
Okay.
see, guys. Mm-hmm.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, guys.
I guess. Yeah.
hmm Yeah, guys, you can leave.
Um,
Bye.
Bye, Divya. Bye, Rajita. Nice to see you. Bye, Sam. Bye, till.
Bye Rajita, bye Sirisa, bye Vic, bye
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.